Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. We're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling Suncatcher supplies products on Amazon. These dazzling items have captured the hearts of many, and we're here to show you why. So without further ado, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the exquisite fashion flower line black zircon ring. This isn't just a ring, it's an embodiment of elegance and sophistication. Picture this, a beautifully crafted rose gold diamond ring with geometric hollow-out designs that capture the light and reflect pure luxury. It's not merely jewelry, it's a statement. Now let's delve into the details. This ring is crafted from high-quality alloy metal, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. The black zircon adds a touch of mystery and allure, making it perfect for any occasion, be it a wedding, an anniversary, or a unique Valentine's Day gift. The intricate design of this ring set ensures that it stands out, turning heads and sparking conversations. Have you ever encountered a piece of jewelry that feels like it was made just for you? This ring comes in size 10, ideal for many, but it's more than just a fit. It's about finding that perfect match for your style. The metal type and alloy guarantees longevity without compromising on elegance. And speaking of elegance, the rose gold finish is simply breathtaking, offering a warm, rich tone that complements any skin type. The geometric hollow-out design isn't just for show. It's a clever interplay of shapes and spaces, creating a unique aesthetic that's both modern and timeless. This ring isn't just worn, it's experienced. It captures the essence of a moment, whether you're saying "I do," celebrating a milestone, or simply adding a touch of glamour to your everyday life. What's more, this ring set promises 100% satisfaction. If you find any damage or aren't completely thrilled with your purchase, returns and exchanges are hassle-free. Have questions? Their dedicated support team is ready to provide answers within 24 hours. This isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in elegance, backed by a commitment to your satisfaction. For those who seek versatility, this piece delivers. It fits seamlessly into an array of styles, from boho chic to modern minimalist. It's perfect for layering with other rings or wearing solo for a striking statement. Whether it's a silver thumb ring for that edgy look or a vintage-inspired design for a classic appeal, this ring transcends trends. To sum up, the fashion flower line black zircon ring is more than just a ring. It's a fusion of style, elegance, and quality, designed to make every moment memorable. Ready to elevate your jewelry collection? This is your piece. Ranking at number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling Suncatcher supplies on Amazon is the Heart Ring for Women, a dazzling piece that embodies romance and elegance. This high-polished micro-inlaid zircon ring is the epitome of sophistication, perfect for engagements, promises, weddings, or simply as a timeless expression of love. Imagine slipping on this exquisite piece. The entire ring, with its meticulous design, exudes beauty and charm. Crafted from premium copper, this ring is not only durable, but also boasts an elegant sheen that catches the eye. The gem type, zircon, is delicately inlaid to create a sparkle that rivals that of diamonds, making it an extraordinary addition to any jewelry collection. This ring is designed for versatility. Its adjustable nature allows it to fit perfectly on any finger, whether worn alone for a minimalist look or stacked with other favorite pieces for a more layered style. The design is both pretty and cute, making it an ideal gift to showcase endless love, whether for a significant other, mother, or best friend. High-quality materials are at the heart of this piece. The use of zircon, coupled with the durability of copper, ensures that this ring maintains its brilliance over time. The craftsmanship is impeccable, promising a unique and delicate fashion statement that stands the test of time. It's not just a ring, it's a testament to exquisite workmanship. Perfect for any occasion, this ring can elevate your elegance and charm, whether you're at a cocktail party, shopping, or attending a special event. Its comfortable fit makes it ideal for daily wear, adding a touch of glamour to your everyday look. Picture yourself at a Christmas party, Valentine's Day celebration, or even a graduation, adorned with this stunning piece that draws admiration and compliments. When it comes to gifting, the Heart Ring for Women is a fantastic choice. It's more than just a piece of jewelry, it's a reminder of how much you care. Perfect for women, girls, wives, daughters, friends, and girlfriends, this ring makes for a sentimental surprise on any special occasion. Whether it's an anniversary, birthday, or Mother's Day, this ring speaks volumes about your thoughtfulness. Outstanding ensures a stellar shopping experience with their commitment to after-sales service. With a 180-day replacement or money-back guarantee, your satisfaction is their priority. Their products, made from high-quality materials, promise durability and elegance. Any questions? Their responsive team is ready to provide satisfactory solutions within 24 hours. In summary, the heart ring for women isn't just a ring. It's a blend of fashion design, high-quality materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and heartfelt sentiment. Ready to make a lasting impression? This is your piece.
Securing the number 3 spot in our countdown of the best-selling Suncatcher supplies on Amazon is the DIY Crystal Pendant Kit. This kit is an absolute delight, combining creativity, fun, and the joy of crafting into one spectacular package. Imagine the thrill of creating your very own unique window art, pendant, or keychain. With this kit, every design is uniquely yours, allowing you to mix colors and create something truly one of a kind. It's not just a craft, it's an adventure in creativity, perfect for sparking the imagination of both kids and adults alike. Using this kit is a breeze. Simply squeeze the design, choose your favorite colors, or mix to create new ones, and start painting. Once you've crafted your masterpiece, add the sparkling diamond decorations. The final step? Let it dry and watch your creation come to life. It's a straightforward process that yields stunning results every time. Quality and safety are paramount. The materials used in this kit are high quality and safe for kids, giving parents peace of mind as their children embark on their creative journey. Each component is designed with care, ensuring that the end product is both beautiful and durable. The DIY Crystal Pendant Kit comes complete with everything you need to get started. 6 pendants, 6 5ml color paints, 6 chains, 1 tweezer, 3 packs of diamond beads, 1 pack of colored beads, and a string rope. This comprehensive kit ensures that you have all the tools at your disposal to create dazzling works of art. Endless fun awaits with this kit. It's not just a solitary activity. It's perfect for group settings too. Imagine the joy of kids working together on school classroom art projects, or the excitement of a Christmas classroom party where everyone gets to take home their unique creations. It's also an ideal personalized gift perfect for birthdays, holiday exchanges, or just because. The DIY Crystal Pendant Kit isn't just an arts and crafts set. It's a gateway to creativity, a tool for learning, and a source of endless entertainment. Ready to add a touch of sparkle to your life? This is your perfect kit.
Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling Suncatcher supplies on Amazon? Well, don't let the sun set on your fun. Be sure to catch the light and subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the brightest deals. Coming in at number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling Suncatcher supplies on Amazon is the mesmerizing stained glass clown decor. This isn't just a decoration, it's a striking piece of art that brings a blend of whimsy and spookiness to your home. Imagine the eerie charm this spooky stained glass clown Suncatcher adds to your Halloween decor. Its creepy yet whimsical design is sure to catch the eye of anyone passing by, making them stop and take a second look. It's not just a decoration, it's an experience, a visual treat that perfectly balances horror with elegance. Crafted with durable materials and meticulous craftsmanship, this Suncatcher is designed to last and impress. The intricate details of the clown, complete with a hat, add a touch of horror-tinged elegance to any space. It stands out as a unique piece, capturing the essence of both artistry and fright, making it a must-have for any Halloween enthusiast. But why limit it to just Halloween? This stunning piece is versatile enough to be a year-round addition to your home decor. Its whimsical and eerie design adds personality and a touch of sophistication to any room. Whether it's hanging in your window, catching the sunlight, or displayed prominently on a wall, it's a decoration that commands attention and admiration. Looking for a unique gift? This stained glass clown Suncatcher is perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, an anniversary, or just a thoughtful present for a friend, this piece is sure to delight and surprise. It's more than just a gift. It's a conversation starter, sparking curiosity and intrigue at any gathering. With this Suncatcher, every glance becomes a story, every ray of light a dance of color and shadow. It's not just about decoration, it's about creating an atmosphere, an ambiance that transforms your home into a haven of creativity and wonder. So if you're ready to add a touch of spooky elegance to your decor, the stained glass clown decor is your perfect pick. It's not just a Suncatcher, it's a masterpiece that brings art, horror, and whimsy together in perfect harmony. And finally, Claiming the coveted #1 spot in our countdown of the best-selling Suncatcher supplies on Amazon is the DAYI DIY Crystal Paint Arts and Craft Kit for kids. This isn't just a craft kit, it's a gateway to creativity, imagination, and endless fun for children and adults alike. Imagine the delight of creating your own unique window art, pendant, or keychain. With this kit, every creation is a personal masterpiece, perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to your Christmas decorations. The set includes 6 vibrant Suncatcher shapes and 6 bright color paints, ready to be transformed into dazzling ornaments. Using this kit is a breeze, but the results are spectacular. Simply squeeze out the design, choose your favorite colors, or mix to create stunning patterns. Start painting, add the diamond decorations, and wait for your artwork to dry. For the best results, use a brush and apply a single layer to prevent bubbling. If you prefer thicker applications, fill the mold as much as possible. And if bubbles do appear, don't fret. Just refill with color and let it dry to perfection. This kit promises endless fun. Kids can mix and match colors to achieve different effects, creating perfect decorations for windows, keychains, or even backpack charms. The possibilities are as limitless as their imaginations. With the included chains, elastic ropes, and colorful beads, the creations can be transformed into beautiful necklaces, adding a festive touch to any outfit. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. Whether it's for kids aged 3 and up, school classroom art projects, Christmas party favors, or family crafting sessions, this kit provides a personalized, heartfelt gift that's sure to be cherished. It's a wonderful way to engage in creative activities together, making memories while making art. Inside this comprehensive kit, you'll find everything needed to get started. 6 Suncatcher shapes, 6 5ml, colorful paints, 6 chains, tweezers, a pack of diamond beads, a pack of colorful beads, and a rope. Each component is designed to inspire creativity and provide hours of entertainment. So if you're ready to embark on a journey of artistic discovery, the DAYI DIY Crystal Paint Arts and Craft Kit for Kids is your perfect companion. It's not just a craft kit, it's an experience, a celebration of creativity, and a joy to behold. Embrace the magic of DIY crafts and create something truly special today. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling Suncatcher supplies on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling items we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.